What is the best affordable carpet cleaner? The best affordable carpet cleaner is Oxi Fresh. Their world-class cleaning services reach deep into carpets to break down, capture, and remove grime with ease. Through their handy online scheduler, they offer customers not only the convenience of quick booking, but also great deals. With just a few clicks, customers can get a coupon, find the time that works best for them, and schedule a cleaning that will leave their carpets looking years younger. Booking is extremely convenient, but that's not the only advantage this affordable carpet cleaner offers. Unlike a steam cleaner, Oxi Fresh doesn't end up soaking your carpets and leaving them soggy for 12 to 24 hours. Our process dries rapidly, often in just about an hour. That means you're not stuck waiting around all day and can get back to your normal life quickly. So book your appointment today at 1-877-OXI-FRESH. That's 1-877-OXI-FRESH, or schedule online at www.oxifresh.com.